feel some type of way.
OG Park.
Make you feel some type of way. It's gonna be okay.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I got these tights. These cute tights from Walmart, $6, into a two-piece. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Okay y'all, so I'm using some tights, some scissors, an eyebrow razor as my seam ripper, a sewing machine, and some pins. So I'm using some tights that I've already cut into some biker shorts as a guide for these ones, and I'm just gonna cut the same length. And now I'm just gonna seam rip the leg part that was sewn together so that it's two big pieces for the top, and then I'm gonna put those right sides facing each other and then just sew along the sides. Okay, so I'm gonna try to teach y'all how to use this handheld sewing machine, and it needs 4 batteries, so that's what I'm putting up in here. I just didn't feel like hand sewing. I really could hand sew, but I want it to stay together. You know what I'm saying? I want the outfit to stay together. For the top, I know the pants are gonna stay together. I want the top to stay together. Okay, y'all, so I have my little sewing machine. I'm just gonna make sure the thread is out enough on the left-hand side. And then I'm going to sew. Okay guys, so this is the final look. This is the top and the bottom. It's hard for me to sew this top, y'all. My sewing machine was really acting up, but yeah. This is it.
Bet I make you feel some type of way.